These are actually sections of wooden water pipe, and they're dated back to the Revolutionary War days. Basically, they're just hollowed out logs or trees that worked as water piping. This is what we call the earth closet. It actually used dirt, and you lift up this top here, fill it with dirt, and then as soon as the person was done using the toilet, this would release a lever, and the dirt would come from the top and cover up what was left behind. And this piece is actually the most modern artifact we have in the museum. It's self-cleaning, self-flushing, automated toilet seat that lifts up and down. It's heated, self-deodorizing, has a front and rear wash, and actually goes for $4,000 plus.